Omegle is a free online chat platform where users may communicate with strangers. It was first established in 2009 and has a large number of daily users from all around the world. Anyone with a browser may access the site and initiate either a text-based chat or a video call. In this video, we'll share to you the proven effective fixes that we've compiled over the years on how to fix the common issue in Omegle, the camera not found error. The first thing to do here is to restart both the computer and the router. Consider disconnecting the power cords of both devices and then reconnecting them after a few seconds. The next step in this scenario is to ensure that the camera is utilizing the most recent drivers. Click on Settings. Click Update and Security. Click Windows Update. Click the Check for Updates button. If a new update is found, it will be downloaded and installed automatically. When this step is complete, see if the problem persists. In certain cases, damaged temporary data stored in the browser might create this issue. To resolve this, you must delete this data. If you're using the Chrome browser, follow these steps. Open Chrome, click on More, click More Tools, click Clear Browsing Data. Select cached images and files and cookies and other site data. Click Clear Data. Sometimes the issue is caused by a policy change in the browser you are using. To see whether this is the case, try using a different browser and seeing if the problem persists. That's it. If you think that this video is helpful, we would appreciate it if you can leave a like, subscribe to our channel, or share this video to your friends. This can greatly help in making sure that Google's algorithm can find and recommend this video to others.